This is an older buckle that we acquired from a collection, and it has 21 pieces of Sleeping Beauty turquoise. And the Sleeping Beauty turquoise just is really blue and really beautiful. The silver work around it has been kept very simple. It probably was made sometime in the 60s or 70s. It doesn't contain a hallmark, so we're not sure who made it. But everything about it is very clean and nice. Again, the stamping is simple but good. The silver work is very clean. And the suite of turquoise that was used in this buckle is very nice.